Okay, Mr. Right here. We're getting ready for A-level maths, film 7. We're solving quadratic simultaneous equations. So I've got two equations here, which I'm going to solve simultaneously. In this case, the second one is a quadratic. I'm going to take this expression for y, which equation 1 supplies me with, and substitute it into equation 2. Just don't mess it up. So it's 2 lots of y squared, and y squared is that equals 35. Right, the left-hand side I can simplify. You just need to be careful. 2 lots of, let's do a square bracket. 3x minus 1 all squared. 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. Don't mess it up. Equals 35. Let's continue to simplify the left-hand side. 3x squared plus 18x squared minus 12x plus 2 equals 35. Tidy up the left-hand side. 21x squared minus 12x plus 2 equals 35. Quadratic equation, set it equal to 0. So I'm going to minus 35 from both sides, gives me minus 33 here. Now I need to try and factorise the left-hand side, or use the formula, I suppose. I'm going to take out a 3 first. Gives me 7x squared minus 4x minus 11 equals 0. Now I could use the formula to solve that quadratic, but I'm going to try and factorise it. I'm going to factorise it by inspection, because after all, there's a limit to the number of different ways I can get 7x squared, and 11 is a prime as well. Now I know one of my signs is plus and one of my signs is minus, because I end up with a minus 11. It's going to be 1 and 11, isn't it? And looking at this, I'm going to try that. That's going to give me minus 11x plus 7x is minus 4x. Good, so that works. So my solutions are that x equals 11 over 7, or x is minus 1. Incidentally, we're using skills that we're going to revise in later films in this series. Still, I've got 2 values for x there, and I know that y is 3x minus 1. So y is 3x minus 1. So if x is 11 over 7, then y is 3 times 11 over 7 minus 1, which is 33 over 7 minus 7 over 7. 33 minus 7, 26 over 7. So there's one pair of solutions. And my next pair will be generated when x is minus 1. Well, y is 3 times minus 1, which is minus 4. So my 2 solutions are x is 11 sevenths and y is 26 sevenths, or x is minus 1 and y is minus 4. So there we go, solving quadratic simultaneous equations. Right, as ever, you can practice these skills using the booklets and questions and answers provided in the comments. If you'd like more help, get in touch, leave me a question in the comments, and if you'd like to, you can subscribe or follow me on YouTube or on TikTok.